Welcome in a new lecture on the lectures of Coptic language. In today's lecture, we are going to talk about possessive pronouns and adjectives. The possessive pronouns and adjectives are the following. Possessive adjectives, we begin with it. For the speaker, we say anok, means I. When we say my, we say pa, ta, na. Pa for masculine things, ta for singular feminine things, na for plural. When we say your for insok, masculine, we say pick, tick, nick. We notice that the first part of the possessive is the article which indicates masculine or feminine. So we use pe for masculine, te for feminine, and ne for plural. Then we have the ek, which indicates you, the person we talk to, as a second element in the structure. So we say pick, tick, nick. When it has to do with your for feminine, we say pe, te, ne. When it has to do with his, we say pif, tif, nif. When it has to do with hairs or hair, bis, tis, nis. When it has to do with our, bin, tin, nin. It has to do with your, betin, titin, nitin. When it has to do with their, po, tu, nu. And the following element is a word which is if for example I say my father, I say payot, my mother tamav, and so on. We have here an example. Anok means I, my name, my name means Ran, so I won't say my name, I say Paran. I won't say my sister, I say Ta Soni. I won't say my words, Nasaji. When it has to do with you, I won't say your. So I say your name, Pikran, your sister, Tiksoni, Niksaji means your words. When it has to do with your for feminine, I said Piran means your name, Tisoni, your sister, Nisaji, your words. When it has to do with his, I won't say his name, I say Pifran. His sister, I say Tifsoni. His words, I said Nefsaj. When to do with her, I won't say her name, I say Bisran. Her sister, Tissoni. Her words, Nessaj. When it has to do with we, I say our, so our name, Benran. Our sister, Tinsoni. Our words, Ninsaj. When it has to do with you, plural, when I say your name, Bitinran, your sister, Titinsoni, your words, Nitinsaj. When it has to do with their, say their name, Puran, their sister, Tusoni, their words, Nusaj. Here we have the possessive pronouns. When it has to do with the previous, it was adjective. Adjective is followed directly by the noun. So after each one of those, there is a noun following. When it has to do with the possessive adjective, with possessive pronouns, it comes into a sentence. So we have here, when it's we say foi, soy, nui, this means mine. It means mine. Folk, sok, nuk means yours. Fu, su, nu means yours for feminine. Sof, fof, sof, nof means his. Fos, tos, nos means hairs. phone, son, noon means hours. Fourteen, suteen, noteen means yours. Fu, su, nu, means theirs. Example here: Foy be bisuteshni. It means mine is the council. So in this example, we here make a structure, a complete sentence. We say foy is acted as a pronoun, followed by the verb be, it means is, followed by the complement. Foy be bisuteshni. Mine is the council. We want to use the female with a female word. We say soy, te, ti mitsave. Mine is the wisdom. I want to say mine with plural things. We say nui, ne, ni shiri. Mine are the children. When it has to do with the rest of the pronouns, the same thing. We use folk, it means yours. Be bisuteshni, yours is the council. Sok te timitsave, yours is the wisdom. Nuk ne nishiri, yours are the children. Fo for feminine means yours. Fo bisuteshni, yours is the council. So te timitsave, yours is the wisdom. Nu ne nishiri, yours are the children. It has to do with his. We say fof baby suteshni, his is the council. Sof titi mitsavi, his is the wisdom. Nof ne nishiri, yours are his are the children. When it has to do with hairs, we say fos be bisuteshni, hers is the council. Sos te timitsave, hers is the wisdom. Nos ne nishiri, hers are the children. When it has to do with hours, we say phone be bisuteshni, ours is the council. Son te timitsave, ours is the wisdom. Noon ne nishiri, ours are the children. Foten be bisuteshni, yours is the council. Soten te timitsave, yours is the wisdom. Noten ne nishiri, yours are the children. Fo theirs, be bisuteshni, theirs is the council. So te timitsave, theirs is the wisdom. Nu ne nishiri, theirs are the children. We have in special cases in possessive with parts of the body. We say go, within won't say, it means the head, won't say my head. We say go, go, gof, goes, gone, gotin, go. Hand means tot. We say tot, toti, totif, totis, totin, totsino, totu. Yat, it means I. Yat, yatk, yat, yatf, yats. Yatin, yatsino, yatu. Esi means heart. Esi, esik, esi, esif, esis, esin, esitin, esiu. Heat means heart or limb. Heat, heatik, heati, heatf, heats, heatin, heatsino, heatu. Mouth means raw. Roy, rock, raw, rof, rose, ron, rotin, row. Rat foot, rat, ratk, rati, ratf, rats, ratin, ratsino, ratu. Giet, stomach, giet, gietk, gieti, gietf, giets, gietin, gietsino, gieto. Ihraat means face, ihrai, ihrak, ihra, ihraf, ihras, ihran, ihrinsino, ihrab. Here when you say goat means head. When I say my head, your head, her head, his head, and so on, and the rest of the parts. Oshebehmot, thanks. Shatina verotin gen beosh sneo. Until seeing you next lesson.